Hello and welcome back everyone. So in this video we will look at another React interview problem. In this problem it states that we need to create a counter component and we will be given three buttons, and if we click on first button start incrementing, it will start incrementing our count by one by every 1 second, and if I click on start decrementing, it will start decrementing our count by one by every 1 second, and if I click on pause, it will stop my counter at that particular place. Now, if I click on start decrementing, it will keep on decrementing, and if I click on start incrementing, it will start incrementing. So this is a pretty simple counter component that we need to create in React. So like I'll just start by I'll just remove all this. I'll remove all the code, and I'll start with a simple HTML layout that we will have. So this HTML layout, currently I show a count and I have three buttons, one for start incrementing, other for start decrementing, and the third last button is for pause. So let's try to code this up. Let's try to first declare a count state variable. I'll declare a count state variable, and its initial value will be 0. Now I will create a ref. A ref is I will use to reference my interval ID, because I'll be using set interval. I'll be using set interval to increase our count or decrease our count after every 1 second by one or minus one. So I'll just create a ref here, use ref and 0. And I'll just name it as interval ID. Now I'll first create a handle click function. So I'll create a handle click function. This will take a value. Now what I need to do is, see, if I click on start incrementing, I need to start increase my count value by one after every 1 second. So what I'll do is I'll do set interval and increase or decrease. So like if my value is plus one, I'll do count plus one. If my value is minus one, I'll do count plus of minus one. That is count minus one. So I just simply do set count C plus val. Now if vol is plus one, it will increase our count. If vol is minus one, it will decrease our count. And I'll do it after every 1 second. I will also assign it to an interval ID dot current. Why I'm assigning this? Because I'll first check here if my interval ID dot current already exists. I'll just clear that interval so that I don't create intervals again and again without clearing our initial intervals. So this is right. Now I'll just create a last function, handle pause, function handle pause. And what it just needs to do is it just needs to clear an interval. If our interval is running, clear an interval so that our count neither increases nor decreases. So I'll just copy paste this thing. This is the exact same code that we need to run here. And it just clears our interval if our interval ID exists. Now I'll just save this. Handle pause. Cannot find name handle pause. Yeah, I'll stop this. I'll run the server again. Stop, run. Okay, our server is running. I'll start incrementing, and we can see our count is incrementing. I'll start decrementing now, and we can see it's decrementing, and I'll pause it, and we can see our count has paused. So this was a very simple code and very simple interview problem. This was all for today. I'll see you in next one.